So the local villagers, like I mentioned just now, we gave them a choice. Do you want to help with us? Do you want to work with us to help save these freshwater turtles from becoming extinct? If you want to help them, then you work with us. If you do not want to, that's fine, because a no isn't a no. A no just means not yet. Right? I can ask you again next year. I can ask you again next year. I can ask you again 5 years down the road. Yeah. So hopefully one of these years you say yes. Okay. So we provide the opportunity, and we also provide what I would call wages. We pay them. We give them money in return for the work that they help us to do. Then it will not feel like any party is taking advantage of another party. Do you want to help me do this? It's free, No. So once we work together with the local villagers, it is not for free. Yeah, so then they begin earning some pocket money from us. And if they want to continue doing this, then that would be great, right? They can earn pocket money to, for example, pay water bills, electricity bills, or phone bills. So that would be most helpful, right? First, we give them a choice, and then we give them wages, like an allowance, so that they can continue doing it.